So then, BB mate, how'd you like the new villa? It's good, isn't it? Yeah, I think so as well. You're going to be happy here for the next couple of weeks? Good. Well, let's start the video, shall we? It's day 16 of the Florida holiday now. We're in the villa. We stayed here last night. We got pizza. We went to the shop. BB mate approves, which is obviously the most important thing. But we're going to be going into the pool for a little bit. Claire's just currently upstairs getting ready. I'm already ready. So we're going to enjoy the sun for a couple of hours. And then we're going to go and do some shopping. I'm going to get a new iPad because it's my birthday tomorrow. So I'm going to treat myself. And then we're going to go Magic Kingdom and watch the fireworks later tonight. And that's going to be pretty much it. So let's get on with it, shall we? So it's pool time. Claire's just in the house talking to her mother because she misses her. Hi Janet, I know you're watching. Hi. So we're just going to enjoy. I'm just going to enjoy the pool until she gets here. As you can see, we're actually on the edge of a golf course. Oh, there's another panel that's broken. They're not doing very well here. So we've got another panel broken there. We've got some golf buggies off in the distance. The pool's looking particularly good. And I'm going to get in. It's half an hour later. And both those net panels have actually been fixed now. Literally, as soon as I finished recording that last clip, a guy turned up and fixed them. So, sorted. Claire is finally going to join me, and she comes bearing Mickey bars.
I come bearing gifts of Mickey bars. There's only 6. There's just not enough.
No, we'll get more. Yeah, ice cream. Who needs Disney to have a Mickey bar? And all you need is Walmart. Mom. So we're finished in the pool. We chilled for a little bit. Claire's just upstairs getting dressed for the rest of the day. But we're going to go to the Florida Mall. I'm going to get my iPad. We're going to do a bit of shopping. And we're going to go to Magic Kingdom. And I get to drive that awesome car again. I mean, I know I said it in the last video. But it is a beautiful car.
When you're older, absolutely everything makes sense. This is fine.
And we are here at Florida Mall. Time to get some Apple products and some food. Obligatory bubble teas. Bubble tea. Bubble tea.
Bubbly tea.
Bubbly tea. So Apple shop done, and I got a bargain.
Very happy boy.
Toys.
Very happy.
New toys.
Very happy boy who got a bargain with his toys.
Yes. New iPad, new earphones, new watch strap. Sorted.
Apple pencil?
Apple pencil. So we're going to go and get some food now, some Five Guys, and then we're going to go Disney. Next up, Five Guys. Everybody loves the Five Guys. Do you like Five Guys? Can't talk, eating.
Always the Five Guys.
Can't go wrong with Five Guys.
That's what she said.
Let's see if it's the same or as good as the UK Five Guys. It's just as good as in England.
I bet there's just some extra calories squeezed in somewhere.
Yeah, just some extra calories, I think. Shopping completed, belly's full.
Waddling ensues.
Waddling back to the car, time for Magic Kingdom. And some fireworks, maybe.
Believe me, it's Maui. Breathe it in. I know it's a lot to have a bar when you're staring at a demigod. It's strong, I know everyone who will be worth my while. I would go most anywhere to find where I belong. Doesn't have to be a snowman. Okay, we're here. We're in. I'm just rushing down towards the castle to get my spot for the fireworks while Claire does a little bit of shopping.
And they all live happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feel it draw you in, watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day. Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish finally put into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. It's just beginning. Feel your heartbeat faster. Reach out and find it happily ever after. We all have the courage to fly.
Under the sea. Hiya. Thank you. Oh. So we just rushed from the fireworks. You can't see us now. We just rushed across the park to get to the Little Mermaid to finish the night off because Claire really wanted to do it.
What a voice! What a beautiful voice!
Bye!
Let me tell you how that evil sea witch tricked Ariel's voice away from her. Wait a minute.
It's a thingamajig.
Wanna see 'em dancing, around our nose. How you call 'em? Oh, feet. Finding your feet, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down a. What's that word?
This played the bass and this sound the chart. The past played the glass, the chop played the top. The flute plays the Duke, our soul.
Forever, Ursula has great powers. This one will be thinner than one wants to get the girl, and do I help you? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. They come flocking to the old ones, ways, and I help them. Yes, I do.
She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why she died. Trying to wanna escape her.
So we just, he's in a rush.
No running, you'll get ejected.
Yes. Oh, another one.
You'll also get ejected. No running.
So we just ran across the park at the end to get to the Little Mermaid because Claire really wanted to do it, and all the other big rides had like 40 minutes late and we weren't doing that. So Claire got to do it. She was well happy, weren't you?
Yes, I did. Yes.
We managed to do the fireworks, and now we're just heading back. We're going to call it a night because it's my birthday in the morning. The lights
Well,
all...
technically, UK time, it's already his birthday.
Yeah.
So happy birthday, baby.
Thank you. Oh, we've gone really dark. You can't see us, so we'll end it there, and we'll see you in the morning.